Tips and strategies for trading cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency trading is a relative new phenomenon, considering that the entire market is less than a decade old. This brings an element of unpredictability of cryptocurrency trading, as there is less contextual information and fewer reliable data points to inform your trading strategy. As with any other assets you decide to trade, having a clear trading plan in place is key, as is investing the time in solid research and in-depth analysis to help guide your trading decisions. In this video, we will look at some common sense tips and trading strategies for cryptocurrencies. Day trading. Cryptocurrencies can be particularly volatile, so it's worth remembering. Because cryptos are so new, the movement in price can be bigger than for many other assets, which means two main things when it comes to your strategy. Risk management is even more important than usual, and holding positions, especially overnight, can be more risky. A day trading strategy is aimed at taking advantage of market volatility over shorter time frames of a few hours rather than days and weeks. Day traders identify market trends and trades with the prevailing sentiment until a support or resistance levels is met, or unit, or until a predetermined price point is hit. Day trading can be a time-intensive approach and requires plenty of flexibility and the ability to react to fast market-moving events. Research and analysis. While there are fewer data points and recurring market trends in the cryptocurrency space compared to some more established assets, the research and analysis you do into the crypto you have chosen is still vitally important. A great deal of your trading strategy when it comes to cryptocurrencies will revolve around market news, speculating, and deep understanding of prevailing market sentiment. The cryptocurrency market often do not move on the back of traditional market forces such as central bank rate decisions, political turmoil, or issues like supply and demand. Rather, as a brand new, the decentralized assets, they can be particularly sensitive to new regarding regulations, potential hard fork events, and attempted attacks on coin exchange. There are a wide range of independent cryptocurrency message boards, community sites, and forums which are worth keeping an eye on, in addition to regularly monitoring your position and the wider market in general. Indicators and drawing tools. With an asset that can see huge price swing on even a daily basis, having the tools to track trends and preempt major market movement is crucial. Our suite of powerful indicators and drawing tools will help you analyze cryptocurrency markets closely, identifying trends and changes in sentiment in real time. Make use of indicators including MACD, RSI, and Bollinger Bands to keep your fingers on the pulse of the market movement, and view multiple charts with a range of time frames to zero in on trading opportunities. Use customizable watch lists to track wider market sentiment, and make sure you utilize powerful risk management tools to protect your positions should the market move against you. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Our next video will be cryptocurrency trading risk management. Please stay tuned.